What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we got a very nice Jeep that we need to work on. We need to change out the brakes, we need to change out the steering pump. So let's lift her up in the air and get to work. So we found a very dangerous situation. There was a bolt inside the threads, which is not the correct size, and so they decided to put some gasket tape around it to make it sort of snug. But it was very loose, very dangerous situation. So that's something that we need to fix. Okay, now we got nice access to the nipples. It's time to put some grease in them. Okay, so she got brand new calipers. We greased the ball joints and all the steering linkages. So all that's left to do is bleed the brakes, and we need to change out the stabilizer bars as well. So we got new brake calipers, we got new stabilizer bars as well. We greased everything down there. Now it's time to continue with the steering pump that needs to be fixed. And later on, we also need to change out the gasket for the valve cover. Okay guys, so to put this pulley on can be quite of a hassle. So what I'm going to do is put this part inside the fridge for a couple of hours. Then later on heat this one up, and due to the difference in heat of the material, the pulley will slip on very easily. In the meantime, I can already take off the valve cover and get rid of that leaking valve cover. Because this is an absolute mess, and if you're driving, oil will come on the exhaust and then it will smell very funny, and it's a hazard of fire. Okay, so we got the valve cover off, and as you can see they didn't use any gasket, only instant gasket. So that's the reason why it's leaking as hell. So we need to clean everything up, make sure that everything is nice and clean again, throw the new gasket in, throw the valve cover up, fingers crossed that then hopefully we have no leakage. Okay guys, so we changed out the valve cover gasket as well. Fingers crossed that she's not leaking. Next step is heat up this pulley, get our new pump from the fridge, and slide this pulley right on. Okay guys, so we think that the steering pump needs to be a bit longer inside the fridge. We need to heat up the pulley a bit more, but we have a very big chance that we need to borrow a tool which presses the pulley onto the pump. So we need to sort that out, get the pump back installed on the old Jeep, and make sure that she's running great again. With that being said guys, this is the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and also make sure that those post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.